My name is Jacqueline Aldana and I talk about COVID-19. What is it? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused of the coronavirus. The coronavirus are a great family of viruses that they can cause epidemic both in animals and humans. That disease appeared in Wuhan, China on December 2019 and nowadays is an epidemic that affects worldwide. What are the symptoms? The symptoms more common are fever. 37 grades is considered fever. Other symptom is dry cough and tiredness. Other symptoms less common are pain in chest, nasal congestion, headache, conjunctivitis, pain in throat, loss of taste and smell, and cutaneous races. How must we protect of the disease? We must wear face masks, we must wash our hands, keep distance 1.5 meters, don't touch your mouth, nose, and eyes, don't go to places with many people, don't greet with kiss on cheek or handshake, and use antibacterial gel. What should we do if we have a COVID-19 symptom? If you present any mild symptom as cough or fever, it isn't necessary to go to the doctor. It's better stay in the house, check your symptoms continuously, and don't have contact with anyone. And finally, what medicines we can ingest? The OMS recommends don't take any medicine because doesn't exist any tablet, syrups, or injection yet that can cure it.